Hi, I'm Bob Mosier, Brazil correspondent with RCR Wireless, and we're here in Rio de Janeiro. I'm with Leonaro Capdeville, Planning and Technology Director of Vivo Brasil. Leonardo, what type of wireless service are you trying to deliver right now to Brazilian users? And what's the Brazilian wireless public asking of companies like Vivo here in this market?
Okay, Bobby, thank you. Right now we are working with the HSPI Plus in Brazil, in Vivo. We started our network in WCDMA in 2008, and now we have almost 75% of the population in Brazil already covered by that technology. And we are focused on reaching 85% of the total population in Brazil until 2011. What we can see in Brazil is that we have a big challenge here because, we are one country with 80,500 kilometers north from Seoul. And we have big extremes as the Amazonic and the São Paulo that is totally different. So we are facing different challenges and different necessity on these cities. For example, in Manaus, that is the capital of the Amazon state, the people are, the necessity is the most basic, is to reach the internet, is to navigate it, but in São Paulo, the connectivity and the mobility is more important. So more than the technology that we are looking for, I'd like to say that we are very be careful and attention to see exactly what the user demands, what the users want, what they really need. So now, for us, the HSPA Plus means to be the correct technology, but in the future, probably we will use LTE to reach that. But the most important is the customer, in our opinion.
Looking towards the future, companies like yours here in Brazil face some unique challenges with developing new technology and rolling that out to the public because of issues of infrastructure in Brazil. Could you explain more to the audience what kind of challenges and difficulties you face with the future rollout of this type of advanced technology?
Yeah, I guess that in Brazil we have two big issues that we have to be focused. The first is the transport network. How I said, we have a big extension of our territory, and we have to reach each city with the optical fiber and to link this city until the internet peering, because 70% of all the traffic interest is international. What means that the content is not in the Brazil, but abroad of that. So how to build this big transport network is one of the great challenges that we have. And the way to do that was very interesting because we're looking how to share this building with the other companies. And at the end, it was what we have done. The second one is the sites. The number of sites that we have in Brazil, if you compare, for example, Brazil and Spain, in terms of population, in terms of customer, or the volume of the traffic, and more than that, the extension of the country, we can see that Brazil have to be 3 or 4 times more sites than Spain, but we have the same number. So it means that we have to increase in a very quick time the number of sites in Brazil. And how to deal that with the public area, with the government, is very difficult.
Thank you, Leonardo. We'll be back with more from Rio de Janeiro and RCR Wireless. Thank you.